Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so this question we want to determine if a function is onto or not. So our first question, f of mn is equal to m plus n. So this is an onto function because we can write f of n 0, and this will be 0 plus n, so that this gives you n. Now because n is integers, this n is also integers. So therefore it's onto. Now for b, f of mn is equal to m squared plus n squared. So this is not onto because this sum right here is always going to be greater than or equal to 0. But integers contains negative numbers. It contains 1, minus 1, or 0, and 2 and minus 2, and so on and so on. But you'll notice that because this is always positive, there is no way you can write this minus 1 and minus 2 here. So this is not onto. Now C, f of mn is equal to m, yeah. So this is onto because once again, if we write f of m, let's say 0 once again, we have m. Now m are integers, so this m is also integers. So therefore this function is onto. Now f of mn is equal to the absolute value of n. So this is not an onto function because absolute value is greater than or equal to 0. So you suffer from the same problem here. So this is not onto. Now our final question, f of mn is equal to m minus n. So this is an onto function because we can write f of mn 0, that just gives me m. Because m are integers, this number here is also the integers. So therefore this is an onto function.